All right, so here we're going to show you provisional income for these guys who had $5,900 in income coming down the pike. All right, so what we do, we take Social Security, which is 3,900 times 12. Do you know that off the top of your head? I do, because I have a calculator. 3,900 times 12. And I put a link actually in my on the community section of the Heritage Wealth Planning YouTube channel for this calculator. It only costs like $25. Everyone needs a financial calculator, man. That's for sure. So that's 3,900 times 12. Oh my good night. 4,680. All right, so that's 46,800. You know, a few weeks ago, I could not even lift my arm above my head. Isn't that crazy? Plus a 2,000 of pension. All right, so they're going to have $70,080. All right, so now for provisional income, what we got to do, or now to figure out how much of that their Social Security will be subject to tax, we got to figure out the provisional income rules. All right, so let's get rid of that guy. All right, 70,800 is their income. What's their provisional income going to be? So it's half of Social Security, so we divide that by 2. Now you guys can kind of see that. It'd be what, 23,400. So 23,400 plus 24,000. Hold on, my friends. Hold on. 23,400. Ooh, that hurt. Ouch. All right, 23,400. Let's see if this. I thought I had a good black one there, but 20. Oh, look at that. There we go. Yeah. Plus 24,000. That's perfect. So that's 47,400. That's their provisional income. But now the question is, how much of that will be subject to taxation for Social Security? All right, so let's write that up there. And what we do here is we take. So they're married. So we got the 0 to 32 is not subject to taxes. 32 to 44 is 50% of that. And then 44, 85% of that. So in this case, we got 32,000 here. 44 minus 32 is 12,000 there. And then 40, that's 3,400 here. All right. So that's 0. That's 6,000. And 85% of 3,400 times 0.85 is 2,890. All right. So you take 2,890 plus 6,000 with your trusty calculator. 8890 will be subject of their Social Security will be subject to taxation. All right, so 8890 taxable Social Security. All right, but we're not done yet because we still have the pension of 24,000. So we take 24,000 plus 8890 plus 32,890. So that's their AGI right there. 32,890 is their AGI. So what we can do here, I could erase that. All right, so a couple things, a couple questions that usually come up. Where do we get these 0 to 32, 32 to 44, and 44? So this is what happened when Ronald Reagan signed the tax bill in 1983. This is the indexing inflation for taxation under Social Security benefits. The first $32,000 of your provisional income is not subject to taxation. The next amount above $32,000 back then is 50% of that was subject to taxation. So in this case, but then at Clinton in 1993, they raised it. They said, okay, well, if you have more than $44,000, you're going to pay 85% of that next threshold will be subject to taxation. So we got three essentially I hate to say bend points because there are something else called bend points when it comes to Social Security with your average index monthly earnings. But anyway, again, we got 32,000, 12,000, 3,400. The 12,000, you times that by 50%, which is $6,000. The 3,400 you times by 85%, which is 2,890, and that's 8,890. So the total amount of your Social Security that's subject to taxation here is 8,890. Now you add that to the other income they have, which is the pension in this case, and now we have to figure out what our taxes are on that amount. I hope that makes sense. So now we can erase all this, and we got 32,890 of total tax of AGI. 32,890 is your AGI. Remember, AGI is your adjusted gross income. That's before your standard deductions. All right. So remember, they got $70,800 of income. 70,800. All right. Income. All right. Was that a provisional income, right? Yeah, I think that was provisional income. PI. That's taxable Social Security. AGI. So we got 32,890. And we'll just have 24,400, I think, as a standard deduction because they're both under the age of 65. So I don't know what that is. So I need my trusty calculator. 32,890 minus 24,400 is 8,490. Oops. 490. So this is a standard deduction. And that's their taxable income. Look at that. 8,490. We'll just say times 10%. They're going to pay $849 in taxes. That didn't really come out very well. $849 in taxes. That's what I told him. I said, probably looking at about $1,000 in taxes. He'd be like, what no way. That's it. $849 in taxes on $70,800 of income. So we take our trusty calculator again, 849 divided by 70,800. It's 1.19% total tax hit. 1.19%. Effective tax rate. And in Georgia, I don't know what it'd be, but once they're over 65, they're not paying any tax. That's pretty good, man. Well, look at the over here. That's their effective tax rate, 1.19%. That's how it works. That's how you figure out your provisional income. That's why you want to maximize your Social Security, because look at that. I mean, that's some serious money you're getting tax-free. Remember, they're only living on $3,500 a month anyway, so there's hardly any taxes to pay. That's why you got to maximize your Social Security. Look at that. All right, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.